Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open biometrics and security, and here you'll notice install unknown apps. Just click here and now you can give permission to some particular application, for example choose Google Chrome, and now you can allow from the source smoothly by tapping on this switcher. And that's it. Then you can also allow from Gmail and any other application that you would like to give this permission to. So basically all you have to do to activate installation of apps from unknown sources is to tap on this allow from the source switcher. And that is all. This is how you can activate installation of unknown apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.